All right, guys, we are out here today with
Robby Hargreaves
versus Aaron, game of skate.
All right, I like it. I don't know if we've ever played skate. Aaron says we have, but
I'm sure we have. I'm sure you won, and I just blanked it out from my memory.
I don't think so. I don't know. I would have remembered this. I know I've played Gabe a couple times.
And?
Actually, the last day I was at Braille, I played Gabe and I beat him with a switch varial flip.
That is brutal. So I'm just coming off a broken foot. Yeah, the other thing, I haven't really warmed up today. I guess we're just gonna jump straight into it.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the excuses now.
Too, so. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh.
Oh, boy! Okay, I gotta warm up.
Okay, you wanna get warmed up first?
No, my tricks are gonna be my warm up.
Okay, I like that.
You know how we roll this?
That's the right attitude.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
We're gonna start with a frontside 180. Wow, I almost and could have missed that.
It looked like your foot was about to fall off.
It did.
Okay.
Because it was. Wow, beautiful.
Thank you.
We got all these able skeevers on the ground here. We gotta watch out. Man, I really do need to warm up though. Okay, backside 180. Woo!
There you go.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
That was good.
My foot still hurts. It is still a little, it's like it's waking up again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The injury's still there.
I know, from my collarbone. Yeah, it's like stiff.
Yeah,
it's like
stiff.
Still learning how to walk.
Yeah. Wow, Robby.
I almost slipped off on that one.
Yeah, he's so steezy that he almost slipped out. Not my best trick, but we gotta do it. Pop shove it. Wow, Stilo. Let's see if he has a pop shove it. Leave it in the comments below. Will he make a pop shove it? Yeah, he even had that extra stanky leg.
Yeah, every time I try to do it without that stanky leg, I land primo.
Really?
So, yeah, I just gotta get my back foot out of the way.
Front shove.
All right.
Do we do it? Wow, that could have hurt really bad, but it didn't. That was okay.
Backwards board. Oh no!
No way!
I rushed myself. S.
Yes. Normally, I would do a heel flip, but I definitely cannot heel flip right now. Maybe I should do it. Maybe I should, just because that's skateboarding made simple, right?
Yeah, why not?
You know what? All you guys are learning, I'm out here learning too. Heel flip. Step one of skateboarding though is believe in yourself. Like I actually have to convince myself before I try this that I can land it. I'm taking that.
That was good.
That. Notice how it wasn't moving. Notice how I don't care.
I was gonna say you did teach somebody how to heel flip, so that you definitely can heel flip.
That's true. Yes.
The crack in my board is totally messing with me when I go to pop. I can feel it. It's right there in the middle.
I need something to help me.
Yeah, it's just as I'm popping, I can feel the. Anyways, let's keep it going.
Keep it going.
No excuses.
Okay, kick flip. What I'm most scared of is landing primo. And now that I said that, I'm not gonna land primo, right? Wow, that was a bad kick flip. That was a bad kick flip. This is just for fun. Wow!
That was better.
That was still bad. Okay.
You got 3 in a row.
Start working out. Beautiful. This is how we do it. I'm not out of tricks. I still got tricks.
Let's go, Aaron. What do you got?
We're gonna go fakie big spin.
Oh, okay.
Off the nose or the tail? What do you do?
Oh, off the tail.
Really?
Yeah. Are you off the nose?
I'll go either.
Well, it's your trick. It's your set.
I'm gonna go off the tail.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
Count it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, right?
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
Redo. They said redo.
Redo? Yeah, rough out here. Yeah, you guys are the judges.
That's fine. I'll take a redo.
Yeah.
There we go.
That was purty.
Thank you.
I can't just be scared of every trick, you know what I mean? What I really need to do is physical therapy like the doctor told me to.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I'm just going for this. We're gonna try a tray flip. See if we still got it.
Whoa! First try?
First try!
I like it. That was good.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can still tray flip.
Part of me wanted to do the varial flip, but I don't know why. They keep hurting when I varial flip. Yeah! Stomped it like El Toro.
Wait, that wasn't El Toro?
It was. Now we're out of tricks.
No, we got varial flip.
Oh yeah. Okay, frontside flip. We're gonna try frontside flip.
I like it.
No!
This ground's kind of rough for that pivot action.
I knew I should have done it like there's a certain spot I should have done it right there.
Yeah.
And then I passed that spot up and I went, you're not gonna land it now. And what's up with my hair?
I have noticed throughout the day, the skate park is kind of sloped.
Yeah.
And there's some uneven areas, and if you try to pop your board in that spot,
You're done for.
it'll totally throw you off. All right, I'm gonna go for a backside flip.
Good, I like it.
Oh, I hit one of those spots that misses my pop. That's all right.
Leave it in the comments below.
Yeah.
We're just gonna blame the ground on every trick.
Maybe. Well, he's just heel
landing
flipped.
it.
Frontside flip, you sticking with it or you switching it up?
I mean, I think I got it, right?
I think you got
So
it.
I'm pretty sure it's almost like a hip, this ground right here, or like an A-frame. Come on. Thank you! It was either a redo or just a no-go at all. I gotta get this better. I gotta believe in myself. Come on, people.
You got it.
What the? I'm sorry. I've let everybody down.
All right, I'm gonna stick with that backside flip, and I'm gonna utilize that bump you're talking about.
Yeah, you see it?
It's
right
that
there.
first crack, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, turn, I gotta turn.
What's wrong with this skate park? In any other skate park, we would have landed this already.
I mean, you know, any skate park anywhere else. No, this skate park's great.
These guys are like, dude, that's my local.
Yeah,
Fight me.
I backside flip there all the time. There's nothing wrong with that ground.
It's true. Actually, you know what though?
Okay, there's some better flat ground over here. Yeah, this is actually probably the better area for that. We could actually go straight back and forth.
Oh! You guys gotta get over here and judge. How did I miss that again? 3 times for a frontside flip? Must be the broken foot. Must be the 2 screws in my foot.
It could still be the skate park's fault.
Nah, I'm a wussy.
Okay, backside flip. Let's get it. Ah!
Normally, maybe I would not do the frontside flip and I would move on, but we got to. He's doing jumping jacks now.
I'm trying to get loose. All right. We got this, Aaron. We got this. I know we're playing against each other.
Finally, gosh!
That was really good. I tried to.
That was fully the skate park's fault.
No. I'm feeling old today.
Well, it did make you kickflip like 300 boards in 30 minutes.
That makes sense now. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah.
I'm like, why do I feel so
Very
tired?
unfair advantage. Okay, for Gabe Cruz. Gabe Cruz, we love you.
Wow, that was good.
Sheesh.
Oh, I feel like I'm not taking my time.
Breathe, Robbie.
I'm rushing myself.
Don't rush it.
It's all right. What is that, A?
Yeah.
All right, Aaron.
Problem is I'm out of tricks. No, I gotta go back to the drawing board. Okay, I got one. You know what this skate park doesn't have? Any transition.
Yeah, there's no quarter pipes. That means that this isn't a skate park, it's a plaza.
Yeah, street plaza.
Yeah.
Leave it in the comments below if this is the correct way to push. Yeah, I got you.
Ooh.
Full cab?
Was that fakie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I ain't trying to do nollie. You think I'm crazy?
I'm gonna come back, so I'm not rushing myself. I'm gonna ride around a little bit. All right, full cab.
Robbie, this is not LA. The ground is rough up here. This is the Bay.
I don't live in LA or the Bay. I'm like right in the middle.
So is the ground rough down there or smooth?
It's I don't know. I'm gonna start to blame this on my board here, but I also believe in myself. I'm gonna come back, Aaron. You better watch out. Don't mess up. What do you got? What do you got?
What do I got? What should I do?
No help.
He's on T. They asked me, they said, remember that video where you late dragon flipped El Toro? And I said, yeah. Or what, not El Toro, Wallenberg.
Oh, yeah.
Nollie flip? Okay, I just did my very first nollie flip after breaking my foot. 5 months I've been out, last weekend. So this nollie flip first try for you guys. It's scary because the flick foot is the broken toe.
You have 9 more.
Doesn't mean anything. I mean, I don't need to be a beep. Okay, nollie flip. It's true, you do have 9 more. That scared the living beep out of me.
Oh, man.
I soiled my pants on that.
I know I got this in 2 tries at least.
100%. 1 try.
1 try. First try.
Easy money. You know what the kids call that these days? They call it light work.
Light work.
Right?
I was sweating. There was nothing light about it. Lots of pressure.
What now? Late dragon flip. Okay, I got it.
I don't even know what a dragon flip is.
Okay, I got it for you, Robbie. You ready? I need all the luck. First try! Dang, that was a good one too. I did not expect that.
I don't even know what to say.
Did you get it?
Was
He
it?
said, is that even late?
Wait, I was gonna say that just looked like a double tray.
Yeah, it was a tray double.
Yeah. It was a double.
Oh, tray double.
Yeah, it was a double tray.
Come on though, I landed that. Come on.
Now you got to wait, try nightmare flip.
Dude, bro, you're trying to kill me out here.
Right, we're playing skaters, right? That's
No
what we,
way!
I don't know if I've ever
I
done
would not
one.
try that again.
I've never done one
That
of these.
legit hurt. Okay, I can teach this to you actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Well, no, this is 825.
Yeah.
No, you got it. Okay, here's the secret. You ready? It's a varial flip going up and a varial flip going down.
I got you. So you want that extra varial flip on the way up, and then on the way down, that's when the second one should start.
Yeah.
On
So
the second varial flip.
yeah, so basically like a tray flip, I would go like all the way scooping the back foot.
Yeah.
On tray double flip, I pop more down.
Okay.
And on a regular tray flip, I'll go my front foot here.
Yeah.
On a tray double, it's here. And I go twice as much flick. And then what happens is the board goes full varial flip up, full varial flip down.
Okay.
Tray
now,
double.
real quick, before I go, I
Yeah.
want you to stand on my board in
Yeah.
like an ollie position, just so you can feel the flex in the middle of that thing.
Oh yeah, this is bad, Robbie. Robbie, use my board.
Well, it's a 775. I'm gonna have a hard time balancing on it, but I'll
No.
try it. I'll try it on your board.
You could probably tray triple this board. Give yourself time, breathe.
Your trucks are tight, awfully
Are they?
tight. Yeah.
Really?
Tighter than my trucks.
I believe you.
But that's the beauty of skateboarding is like everybody has their own preference. Nothing's really
I
the
thought
right
they were loose,
way.
but then again, I'm really fat.
No, you're just tall. You're tall.
Exactly.
Okay.
Locked
So
and
I
loaded.
noticed my back foot was way in the pocket. It needs to be more.
Yeah, more pop up, more flick. Oh, see?
Let me try it on this one.
You feel how it would work.
I do.
Okay, now 2 tries on your board.
Okay, perfect. I like that.
Oh, you got it. You actually got that
I'm gonna have to challenge you again with the new board.
completely.
Yeah,
We definitely got to play again.
for sure.
And then full park, anything counts.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
All right, right here.
Wow.
The other flip was really fast. I don't know if you saw it.
I did see it.
Well, good game, Aaron.
Good game, Robbie. All right, that was fun.
Yeah.
Robbie, thanks so much for coming out here and playing a game of skate with me. If you guys are in Solvang, go to Solvang Skate Shop and get yourself a board and the skeever thing.
Able skeever.
Able
Yeah.
skeever.
And challenge me to a game of skate.
Please.
Yes, I need to rebate myself.
Maybe we'll do like an event where we
Rebuttal.
just say, come play us in a game of skate.
That
And
would
just
be rad.
Any kid that wants to come and just play us in a game of skate.
That
can.
would be so fun.
Leave it in
I'm
the comments
so
below if
down.
you guys want to do that event. Hope
Right
you
on.
enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, guys.